All right, now after years of opposition, Hawaii is about to legalize same-sex marriage. The state Senate passed a House bill on Tuesday, and Governor Neil Abercrombie is expected to sign this bill into law very soon. So Hawaii will be the 15th state to legalize same-sex marriage, and couples can get married as soon as December 2nd. So Sabrina, that sounds like some pretty perfect timing too in Hawaii, because we know a lot of people do like to get married there, especially during the cold season everywhere else. Then why not escape to Hawaii?
Yeah, it's great for destination weddings. They've now beat out Illinois as the 15th state to legalize same-sex marriage. And I think that for Hawaii, it's extra special. You know, that is the state that sparked a national conversation about same-sex marriage in the 90s. You had two women file to get married, and of course that was denied in 1990. And then you have this conversation and heated debate that leads to the Defense of Marriage Act. So it's amazing, you know, you come forward, you know, more than a decade, of course, and we've come a very long way. So it's kind of fitting now that Hawaii has finally reached that, crossed that hurdle. And I think people are very happy to see this growing number of states that are moving that way, since the federal government, of course, still hasn't come around to any landmark same-sex marriage legislation.